Before we install WooCommerce, it is recommended to install Jetpack first. So I'm going to install Jetpack. Let's go to add new. And you can scroll down, you can see there's Jetpack. It's an ideal plugin for stats, Reddit posts, and search engine optimization, social sharing, protection, backup, security, and a lot of other things. So let's go ahead and install this. Now that our plugin is installed, let's activate this. Okay, now we need to install our WooCommerce. So let's click on add new and look for WooCommerce. You can see there's a WooCommerce plugin here, which is buy automatic. So click on install. Now that WooCommerce is installed, let's click on activate. Once you have activated WooCommerce, that will get you to the installation wizard. So here you can see that we have a lot of other options which we can set it up. So let's set up our WooCommerce. So where is your store based on? So you need to specify your location. I'm going to set it to India. And the address, I'm going to set it to Jayanagar. And the city is Bangalore. State is Karnataka. And I'm going to set the zip code. And now we need to specify what currency do we accept in. So I'm going to accept my payments in INR, that is Indian rupee. What type of products do you plan to sell? So here you have an option to choose that you can sell both physical and digital, only physical or only digital. I'm going to set the first one, which is going to be both physical and digital. If you will be selling the products in person, you can check this, but I'm going to leave this blank for now. Now comes the option for setting up our payments. Now, since I do not have any kind of payment gateway activated or signed up for, I'm going to disable this. And in the offline payments, I'm going to set up check payments and cash on delivery. Now I'll show you how you can install a payment gateway in our further classes. Click on continue. Now you can set up your shipping zone. So I'm going to set this up later. So I'm going to just disable this for now. WooCommerce recommends to install these options. So I'm going to uncheck all of these. So click on continue. Okay, remember when we installed Jetpack? So this is the part. So since Jetpack is connected to our store, it can give you better security, store stats, store monitoring, a lot of other options. I'm going to click on continue with Jetpack. If you have not done that, you can always skip this step. Great, let's finish up our store. I'm going to click on finish. Okay, now that our WooCommerce is installed and ready, you can see that we have some options here. We can sign up for the newsletters, or you can create a new product, or I can import the list of products which I already have in my CSV file. Now, since I don't have any kind of product set up right now, I'm going to just click on visit the dashboard. I can see I'm getting this message. Your store does not appear to be using a secure connection. We highly recommend you serving an entire website over the HTTPS. This is because since we are using a e-commerce website and we'll be doing the transaction online, so WordPress recommends that we need to have an HTTPS certificate enabled on your site. Now, since I'm localhost, that's completely fine. So just click on the dismiss button. Now, if you feel like you have done any mistake while installing your WooCommerce, you can always reconfigure that. You can go to your WooCommerce and go to settings, and in settings you can see there is an option called help. Just click on that and you can see there is a setup wizard. Just click on that one, and now you can click on this setup wizard. That will get you back where we started, and from here you can reconfigure everything you did.